Hey gang, I'm going to make a real quick short video for you. I've got this charger here. It's a balanced charger I bought. It's called the T240 Duo, and I wanted to charge my Typhoon H ST16 controller battery. I was having a little trouble, so I found some cables. You see the red and the black there? Okay, I found these on eBay. You can see the connector here. I'm not sure what they call the red and the black, if it's bullet or people call them banana, I'm not sure. But anyway, I found this cable. Now I'm able to charge this battery here, which came out of my ST16 controller, out of the controller with this charger right here, which I'm really happy about, because otherwise I'd have to charge this battery right here with the stock charger. So a good person on YUNEEC Pilot Forum told me how you do this is you charge it as a Lipo battery, even though this is a lithium ion. What you do is you set it to one cell. I believe you can see the one cell right there, and the charge current is 6 amp. I don't know if you can see that, and the end voltage is 4.2, and then you hit start, and I'll tell you, it works perfectly. And I'm so happy that I can charge this battery now. Just take it out of my controller and charge it outside of my controller. The reason I got this charger is because I needed to balance charge my Typhoon H batteries, and they're 4 cell. And this battery here is only a 1 cell. So, I'm just making a real quick video for you. I hope it helps you a little bit. But if you need these cables right here, go to eBay, look around, find ones that look just like that with the red and the black, and you can put them right into the front port of this charger and charge this battery very easily. Okay, so that's about it. I hope it helped you. That was a real quick deal there I made for you. And thanks for listening, and take care.